On a metal roof here in Sevierville, Tennessee. First thing, you gotta check this view out. That's the front. Boom. That's the back. Killer. I mean, that is a view to die for, bro. Check that out. There's Mount Con over here. That's Mount Con. I don't know what all the rest of these are, but I know that's Mount Con because it's the biggest one in Tennessee. So that's Clemens Dome. But yeah, check that view out. That's amazing. Anyway, so came up here to look at the roof. They said there was a metal roof panel banging around. So I got up here and I seen the metal roof panel that was banging around. There's several screws out of it. You can step on it. Here it's loose. But I also noticed that something has either hit it that was installed wrong. Okay, so sorry my nose is running. It's really cold and windy up here. So it's got a crack here, as you can see. Pretty good sized crack. Then there's a big old one right here. And then further up the roof, there's another one right here. So this is the edge of the rib right here. This is the edge of the rib, and as you can see, they've got some screws down there, but they've all pulled out. They put this right down on top of a shingle roof. A lot of people don't know that that'll actually void the warranty of the metal from most manufacturers. But yeah, so it's got a 3-tab shingle on there. Purlings right there, another purling here they put down, then they just screwed the metal down right to these purlings. As you can tell, that's rotted out pretty bad right there. That's probably gonna have to be cut out. We'll take this panel up too and cut it from right about here to right back over there. At least replace this section of panel right here, or the purling, the wood, so it has something good to screw down to. And then of course we'll have to replace this entire panel right here, which is a little tricky, but we can do it. Just have to take this ridge cap off, take the screws out of it anyways on that section, take the screws out of this panel, slide it out, put a new one in, and buckle her down. So that's it for right now on this roof. If I find something else, I'll add it to the video. Thanks.